chosen for today is something very simple, but something we really need to be aware in everyday life. Okay. So my topic is that we should not take anything personally. Anything that happens, anything that we face, we should not take personally. Anything that one says, somebody says to us. Normally what happens? If anybody says anything to us, we immediately take it in our heart. And we take it personally. Either we feel bad about it, why that person has said so, because we either believe it, that yes, that person is right, and we feel hurt, or we feel that that person has no right to say such a thing. Our ego is hurt, right? For example, if someone says, you are dumb, you are stupid, right? So either two things happens. We accept it. Oh, we start thinking, is that person right? Am I actually stupid? Have I done a stupid thing? And we keep thinking in our heads and we feel bad about it. We feel hurt. How can that person say this? Instead of feeling angry, we feel hurt. That is when we believe that person is right. Okay? Or the other thing that can happen, we feel angry. How can he say that? I'm not dumb. I'm not stupid. How can he say that? Our ego is hurt. How can somebody say that about me? These two things happen. But what we have to understand is the other person is talking out of his own mind. What he is saying is what he thinks or what he believes. It is not related to us. It's not because of something we have done or something we have said. That is his thinking, his perspective. He thinks I'm dumb, so he says you are dumb. But when we know what we are, we have that faith in ourselves that we are not dumb, then why should we feel hurt? Right? Why should we feel hurt by anybody saying anything if we know ourselves very well? If we have that faith in ourselves, we love ourselves so much, we should not be affected by anybody saying anything. But it does not happen that way, and we get affected by anybody saying anything because we take it personally. Well, every person has their own beliefs, their own programming according to which they speak. They have their own lens to see, and they see through that lens and they speak out of that. But it depends on us whether we take it inside or not, whether we are affected by it or not. And if we are affected, that means there is something already in us which is getting triggered. Right? If we are getting affected, that means we also feel we are like that. That's why that person says something, we immediately feel hurt. So what do we have to do? We have to increase our self-love, faith in ourselves. That yes, I know myself. Whoever says anything, I don't care. Because I know myself very well. So we have to become strong that way. And once we know ourselves so well, anybody's words cannot hurt us. We keep blaming others. That person said this, so I'm hurt. We don't normally do that, right? I'm angry because someone said this. But the power is in our hands. We should not give that power away to anyone to hurt us. Power is in our hands. If we are strong, we will not be affected. If anybody is saying anything about us, we will not be affected. whether anybody praises us or whether anybody criticizes us, we should not be affected because we know ourselves so well. We don't care what anybody thinks about us. We have to define our own value, independent of others' thinking. We should not be affected by any praise or any criticism. We should not be affected by anyone approving of ourselves or disapproving of us. Whether anyone accepts us or rejects us, we should not care. Our own value should be independent of others' thinking. We have to know our own value. The day we do that, we accept ourselves as we are fully, then we will become strong individuals. Then we will not take anything personally and nobody can hurt us. Do you all agree with me?
Yeah.
Are you all doing this? I'm sure most of you are doing this.
No, we do hurt.
You
We
don't
do
feel
get-
hurt. You
we
do
do
get
get-
hurt. Yeah. So from today, let us start practicing that we will not get hurt. We have to be proud of ourselves, our value, what we are. We should first know ourselves and believe in ourselves. So if anyone says anything, if anyone accepts us, if anyone criticizes us, it will not make a difference. It will not make a difference. It is only when we only feel bad about ourselves. We only feel, oh, that person is saying that maybe I am like that. तो क्या होता है, हम लोग इतने वीक होते हैं ना अंदर से, तो हमें कोई कुछ भी बोलता है तो हम तुरंत दुखी हो जाते हैं. हम अंदर से इतने खुद ही वीक होते हैं, तो कोई कुछ भी बोलता है हम तुरंत दुखी जाते हैं. वो उसने ऐसा बोला तो शायद मैं ऐसी होंगी, या उसने ऐसा क्यों बोला मुझे, मेरे बेटे ने ऐसा मुझे क्यों बोला, मेरे हस्बैंड ने मुझे ऐसा क्यों बोला, और हम तुरंत दुखी हो जाते हैं. अगर हमें अपने ऊपर विश्वास है तो हम क्यों दुखी होंगे. हमें अपने अंदर वही विश्वास लाना है जिसे हम सेल्फ लव कहते हैं बार बार. सो the takeaway from today's thing will be, we will not take anything personally. बोल रहा है उसकी अपनी वो सोच है, उसकी अपनी कुछ बिलीफ्स है, अपनी धारणाएं हैं. It is his thinking, his way of looking at things. He is looking from a different lens, different perspective. That's why that person is saying that. We should not take it personally, right? So now let's go and do some meditation after this small talk. Okay? Everyone ready for meditation, going inside yourself and getting to know yourself. Please get ready for meditation. Make yourself comfortable. अपने अपने चश्मे उतार लें. To focus on your body, leaving all the distractions. Relax your body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Relax your head. Relax your mouth and your jaw. Relax your shoulders. Relax your chest, your back. Relax both your hands. your stomach. You may now relax your thighs, your knees, and your legs. Now your whole body is completely relaxed. Bring your attention to your breath. Observe your breath as you breathe in and you breathe out. As you breathe in, feel your body getting more and more relaxed. And allow this wave of relaxation spread throughout your body. As you breathe out, allow all your fears, your worries, leave you completely. Making you more and more relaxed. Just be with your breath. As you breathe in and you breathe out. With every breath that you inhale, feel yourself going deeper and deeper. हर सांस के साथ महसूस करें आप अपने भीतर गहराइयों में उतर रहे हैं। Now visualize that you are in a beautiful place of nature, in a beautiful garden or a park. Imagine that you are sitting on a bench in the park. आपका मन पूरी तरह से शांत है और आप इस पार्क में बैठे हैं। यहाँ बैठे बैठे याद करें क्या हाल में ऐसा कुछ हुआ था, कोई घटना हुई थी जिसमें किसी ने कुछ कहा और आप बहुत हर्ट फील हुए थे। याद करें क्या हुआ था, क्या कहा था उस व्यक्ति ने आपसे जो आप दुखी हो गए थे। What happened? Why were you hurt? Just try to remember. जो भी हुआ था उसे याद करें और फील करें। आपके अंदर कौन सा इमोशन आया था? क्या आपको गुस्सा आया था? क्या आपको दुख हुआ था? आने दे वापस उन्हीं फीलिंग्स। जो भी हुआ था उन्हें फील करें और बह जाने दें। इस इमोशन को बह जाने दें। फीलिंग इज रिलीविंग। फील करें उस इमोशन को आज वापस से। और उसे निकल जाने दें अपने अंदर से। अब आपको कैसा लग रहा है जब आप पूरी तरह से फील करके रिलीज कर दे रहे हैं? How are you feeling now? Once you have relieved yourself of that feeling, that emotion. और अब अपने आप से पूछें कि आप अपने बारे में क्या सोच रहे थे? क्या आपको लग रहा था कि आपकी इज्जत नहीं करते? क्या आपको लग रहा था कि आपको प्यार नहीं करते? या आपको स्वीकार नहीं करते? Or you feeling that you are not respected, or you are not loved, or you are not accepted? पहचानिए आपके अंदर अपने लिए क्या भावना है। और अब अपने आप से कहें कि आप अपने आप को रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं। Tell yourself that you respect yourself. You love yourself. You accept yourself as you are. Tell yourself that I will not be affected by anybody's words, praise or criticism, approval or disapproval. I accept myself fully as I am. अपने आप से कहें, मैं अपनी इज्जत करती हूँ, मैं खुद को प्यार करती हूँ, मैं सबकी इज्जत करती हूँ और मैं सबको प्यार करती हूँ। मैं अपने आप को अच्छे से पहचानती हूँ। मैं दूसरों को भी समझती हूँ। आज से मैं किसी की भी कोई बात को पर्सनली नहीं लूंगी। From today, I will not take anything personally, as I know myself fully and accept myself fully. इन बातों को अपने अंदर पूरी तरह से बैठ जाने दें। एक लंबी गहरी सांस लें और छोड़ें। Take a deep breath and allow these words to settle deep inside you. Promising yourself that you will not take anything personally and live a peaceful life. Slowly and slowly, we will now prepare to return. Bring your attention back to your breath. Observe your breath as you breathe in and you breathe out. Take 3 long and deep breaths, inhaling from the nose, exhaling from the mouth. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You may rub your palms and place them on your eyes.